Hi, today in one small tutorial I will show you one very cool effect in Premiere Pro and it's called Take My Key. We're going to do a couple of cool effects with it. Let's get started. First we need to write the text and edit it a little bit. Here everyone decides how we will do it. Then we take this effect and put it on the video and then in a couple of moments to create the effect itself. As you can see, everything is very simple. Now let's set the animation to animate our picture, and here's the bottom line. Well, now I'll show you another use for this effect as a transition. Throw our track to videos. Then a small UTEG and here on the second video throw this effect. Then set the parameters. I'm specified and here we have a cool transition for the video. Thank you all for watching my mini tutorial and bye bye!